What's going on, everybody? We're back with Fishing with Phil. Today we're at Pleasant Valley Conservation. It took us a little bit over an hour, but we got a catch. I was trying the treble hook from the other day. I thought I was gonna get luck, but I switched back to the original. It's actually really windy out here, but pretty sure we can catch the bass, y'all. What do you think? Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day. Yeah, so this is the downside of fishing sometimes. I think the hook really damaged him. The only thing we could really do is take him for bait. I washed him up and he's actually been moving. He's ready to go. Let's go, buddy. Come on, I know you got it in you. Nope, he doesn't. I'm gonna grab him. So yeah, not a bad spot. I've got a couple bass here. No luck today with the bass, but there's fish in the pond. It's a really nice area.